Hey guys, it's Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. If you are new to the channel, I'm very grateful that you clicked on this video. I am Josh Gibbons, a 16-year-old brand identity designer. If you check out my Instagram in the description, you will see all my projects and work over there. So, today is the part 2 of my negotiation videos and kind of advice for how to negotiate with your suppliers to get the product and specifications that you want to sell on Amazon. So, if you didn't see my last one, feel free to check it out. Today, I'm going to quickly cross off this box. Did that mistake last time. Today, I want to talk about how to negotiate your suppliers down to your terms when they may be saying that they can't actually meet them to start with. Okay, so you may have had this. You probably have when you've spoken to manufacturers and they've said their MOQ is, for example, 200, and maybe you want 50 units for your trial order, and you've spoken to them and they've said nope, our MOQ is 200, we can't do this. And you've spoken to another supplier of the exact same product and they've said yeah, 50 is fine. So, and the one who says their MOQ is 200 may have a better quality listing, photos, and you may want to go with them instead of the people that have actually given you your ideal MOQ. So get this scenario in your head. You may want to rewind that and rewatch that to just imagine this scenario. So how do you go about getting the 200 MOQ down to 50 because you want to work with that supplier more than the other one who offered you 50? It is super simple, guys. You simply just message the guys who give you a 200 MOQ, say, hi there, I've spoken to some other suppliers and they've actually been able to match my MOQ of 50. Are you able to do this as well? So by doing this, you're not lying at all. A lot of people lie when negotiating. That is not good, because if they want you to prove it, then you're screwed. So because you've had that lower offer from another supplier, you simply use that as leverage with the ones you want to work with. So you say to them, as I said, hi, how are you doing? We've been speaking to some other suppliers and they've actually been able to match our 50 MOQ, and we really like the look of your pictures, your listings, and the quality of your brand on Alibaba. Would you be able to meet our requirements and go down to 50? So this is a really great technique, and one that I've actually been using in my own negotiation, and it works a treat, because once they know that other factories can actually produce that MOQ, it opens the possibility that they can actually do it as well. Just like the 4-minute mile. This is kind of a strange segue here, that no one thought it was possible until it was. So maybe this manufacturer doesn't think it's possible to do 50 units, so they've told everyone it's 200 MOQ, when actually other suppliers can do 50, so it makes them believe they can as well. So be sure to use this strategy in your negotiation, guys. It will work a treat. When they ask you, and they will ask you, who is this supplier, simply reply with a screenshot of the message, blur out the name of the supplier and say, I'm sorry, I'm not in a position to share any details of this supplier. They can't really argue with that. That is totally fine, and you've literally got the proof of their reply saying that they can meet your MOQ. So by doing this, you may actually win your best suppliers at the MOQ and terms you want. So this technique can be used for anything that you want to negotiate. So maybe you want to get a lower price. That is something, obviously, the main negotiation topic when you're talking with suppliers is the price. If another company, another manufacturer offers you a lower price than your ideal supplier, you can use that as leverage. You can go up to the supplier you want to work with and say, hey, how you doing? So I've spoke to this other supplier and they've said they can do it at this price, and the product looks the same. However, I know I really want to work with you. I've enjoyed our communication. It's been super easy to talk with you, and I'd love to work with you at this price. Can you meet that? And that should get you results and get you the price you want. So I hope you found this helpful. I want to keep these little advice videos quick, snappy and easy to apply, so you can go and negotiate with these strategies straight away, and it's something that I have done as I'm trying to get my product right now. So just an update for my own progress. I am still in negotiation. I have got about 2 out of 14 suppliers to meet my MOQ. So literally some suppliers, they physically can't produce your minimum order quantity. It could be because of the machinery, it could be because of the cost or the waste. So I've got 2 down to my MOQ, and I've got another 2 still in communication who could potentially meet my MOQ, and I'm getting to the stage where I'm going to get some final quotes. I'm going to compare, try and negotiate them down, and then I'm going to get some samples. So I'm still not sure how that process goes. I'm still not sure of the payment process, kind of how it all works with the packaging, the custom branding. I'll get there as it comes. So I wasn't obviously sure about negotiation before I did it. So I'm just happy to be progressing through FBA really greatly. Yeah, it's been a great few weeks, a great month or 2 having started FBA, and I urge you guys, if you are somewhat interested in this, just send me an email and we can talk about getting you into this business model, because I'm really enjoying it, and I'm already sensing that it's going to be a great investment and financial vehicle. So I'd love to help you out. If there's anything I can do for you, leave a comment or send me an email, and I will catch you in my next video.